Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And do I have some special products for you? It's some more product accessories for your Tesla. So without further ado, let's get right to it. All right. Here's the product right here, and this is brought to you by Model3, and they have their website right here and their logo in rich Tesla moment, and it's model3.co. Let's take a look in the box and let's see exactly what's in the box. Okay, so here it is, Model3 logo right there. Let's take a look at this box and what's inside the box here. Okay, perfect. And you're probably wondering what this is. So this is basically a mount for the rear of your Tesla. So this is for the back seat, and it's MagSafe. It's going to give you a MagSafe charger. They have two different mounts. They have a front mount and the rear mount. This right here is the rear mount. And I can definitely say the quality of this product is amazing. Like, as far as feel, amazing. And this is no cheap stuff. This is made out of metal, not plastic. It's definitely on the high end as far as product quality. So it looks amazing. And so where this mounts is on the back seat of your Tesla Model 3, and this will also work on Tesla Model Y. Unsure if it works on the S, X, or the Cybertruck, but you could probably find a spot to hook it. So basically what you can do is on your back seat, you hook it there, and this is MagSafe. And what I mean by MagSafe is it should stick to the back of, right there, see? Boom. Your phone can stick. See, I got my phone right here, and it's sticking to the back of this right here. So this is something that's pretty cool. If you want to, say, put your mount on the back seat, and you can have your screen right there. So if you have backseat passengers, they can have another screen to play with, and at the same time they can charge up the vehicle. No, not the vehicle, they can charge up the device. It'd be kind of funny if you could charge up the vehicle with a USB-C. I don't think we've got that into the future yet, but you can definitely charge up your device here. And what I do like about this is that it's MagSafe, and that they made this product here out of metal. So the quality, I can assure you, is top notch. And you got a long cable, long USB-C cable that you can hook into one of the USB-C slots in the back seat of your vehicle. As you may know, in the center console, the back center console, there's a USB-C. You plug this right in there, connect this to the back of your seat, and then boom, you got a mount. So what's in the box? This is basically just a manual, a simple manual that you probably won't need, because it's not like there's instructions on how to put the product together. Yeah, so they have one for the front seat and they have one for the back seat. Amazing. Model3, they make excellent products. I highly recommend that you guys go check them out. Go to their website. I'll have everything linked in the description. Go check it out. Really good quality stuff. All right. So thank you for watching. Take care. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.